Lisa and I are here to try two things. One, this Betty Buzz tonic water. Ooh. I'll look and see if I can find any kind of link to this online. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever had this brand of tonic water, let me know what you thought of it. Maybe you're a fan. If you haven't had this, let me know if you've ever tasted tonic water in any format, with a drink, without a drink. Let me know. This is the first for me, so I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, I've never had tonic water.
Alright.
We already popped it off because
Betty Buzz, here we go. Okay, it smells like a lemon lime. Hold on, sorry, the dog is getting ready to.
Oh,
no, she's like, no.
There, lift it. Okay, there we go.
we work together.
It smells like a Sprite. You want to smell it?
Yeah, like a lime soda.
Yeah, like a lime soda, lemon lime soda. So, all right, Betty Buzz. Here we go. Cheers.
Oh. Couldn't swallow it, huh? Yeah, this is stuff that you're supposed to mix with other things, isn't it? Tonic water? Yeah. Something you shouldn't be drinking like this.
Like gin and tonic, that kind of thing.
Sure is in lime soda. Don't worry, we have something to cover that on the next video, so.
Oh,
the aftertaste.
I know, it keeps hitting me. It tastes like a cleanser.
Yeah.
It has a very chemically, medicinal almost, you know, kind of, if you've ever had anesthesia, if you've ever had anesthesia, the way that kind of puts that taste in your mouth, it's doing the same, kind of that.
Yeah, it's not a
tongue numbing. Yeah, this is not for me. The dog is determined to knock the camera over.
Over here.
Won't be happy until y'all are on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't get this again. I wouldn't recommend it to others.
Well, I mean, unless you use it properly and mix it with something else, because that ain't good.
I don't even think gin would be good with this. And that's the most common gin and tonic thing there is, so. Yeah, I just say skip it, save yourself. Because yeah, this is no good. Thank you so much for watching this, and I strongly advise you to not use any link I put below for tonic water unless you just really have
you need tonic water, and there you go.
A way to use it, because I'm thinking we could clean the toilet with this stuff.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
It's in a glass container, so.
There you go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.